Alright, what's up guys? It's Frankie Lopez here. It's been a while, been about maybe 2 months, 3 months since I made a video. My cousin just came back from South Korea and she got me a bunch of snacks, so I'm gonna try them out, see how I like them, and we'll just go from here. So first we got this pretty cool bag. It says Sonny Cher Chinese collection. I'm pretty sure she got it, in China. But right off the bat, let's just pull up the first thing. And we got these here. No clue what it is. It looks like some type of noodle chip. Steak flavor. So that's pretty cool. Let's try it. Right off the bat, smells like steak. I'm not really too fond of the smell, but let's see. I'm not really sure. Not sure how I feel. It's like a pork rind. It's like a soft chip, melts in your mouth. Steak flavor. Not sure what kind of chip it tastes like, but I'm not too fond of it. So let's go on to the other ones. This right here is Pringles. She couldn't tell if they were just regular Pringles or not. So we'll see. Let's get into focus. But cool packaging. I forget this game, but I had it on my phone. It's pretty cool. So let's see. Yeah, so seems like it's just a normal regular Pringles. Actually a lot smaller than what we have here. So I'm not really sure. Let's see. Okay, I think I could find myself eating these, eating the whole can probably. A lot smaller than what we have here. They're pretty good. So, got two more. I don't know what this is. If it's like let's say, I'm not sure. Can't really get the focus on this, but let's see. There we go. Looks like a milk candy, so I'm not sure. So let's try it out. Alright, so right off the bat, smells good. I don't know what's in there really, but well, let's see. It's almost like a taffy, like a milk flavored taffy with like peanuts in it. It's not bad, not bad. Then there's this cake here, I guess. It has a paw print, a fish on it. So maybe it's like a fish cake. It says moist and chewy cake. So let's see. I like to smell a lot of things before I eat them. Because, you know, sometimes people will smell things and they don't like it. So And I know, you know, the lighting might be weird because I do have a light right here behind me. It's because my room is a mess. I'll be moving soon, so I'm trying to get ready for that. So, shaped like a fish. It's pretty cool. Let's see. It's not bad. It has like a chocolate center. Or it's like a bean paste, I'm not really sure, but it's chewy. So that's pretty cool. And also there's two more items that my cousin brought for me. She got me a pin, or a magnet I should say, from Shanghai in her layover, which is pretty cool. I'll show you guys what that is. And also she got me this super dope pen from South Korea. So this is the pin here, this little cool guy, magnet. I'm waiting until I move to put it up on the refrigerator. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And then for the pen, this is the casing here. On the back it says I love Korea, which is dope. I can't wait to go. She's going back in June and I'm jealous. So this is what the pen inside looks like. I don't feel like taking the pen out right now because I don't want to mess up the packaging or break anything, because I'm most likely not going to use it. So yeah. But other exciting news, my birthday is in a couple of days, so I'll be traveling to New York for the day with a couple friends of mine. And yeah, so other than that, I'm just going to be partying it up. And by partying up, I mean I'm going to spend time with my family, go to New York, just waste my last few days of spring break until I go back to work on Monday. So you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, live your best life.